Most fully automatic espresso machines aren't that good, but this one honestly might have changed that. So I teamed up with KitchenAid to test out their fully automatic espresso machine with iced coffee, because if your mornings are anything like mine, kids, work, dogs, running late, I get it. And this is one of those machines that actually makes sense for real life. So let me show you what stood out. All right, first thing you notice, this thing just looks clean, sophisticated yet modern. Not bulky at all, fits easily on your counter, and this 3.5-inch touchscreen is just crisp. I even love that it glows when making a drink, which is a small detail, but it definitely makes it feel premium. Let's talk a quick rundown on the outside, the stuff that really matters. You get a 1.8 liter water tank, which gives you roughly around 16 espresso shots before ever having to refill. Hidden bean hopper up top, which I love. It's just a clean look. Holds about 250 grams of beans. Adjustable height for different cups, super convenient. And the drip tray is actually way larger than I thought. Also, this has a milk container for that automatic milk prep. I mean, this thing literally is doing everything for you. But listen, none of that matters if the coffee isn't good. So here's what gets interesting. KitchenAid has this crema guarantee technology. It does pre-infusion, controls pressure, manages temperature, all automatically. So instead of you dialing in shots, it's doing it for you and doing it consistently. And that's the biggest thing that I noticed. You're getting really solid espresso shots every single time. It's kind of mind-blowing. Now, if you're the type of person that enjoys having control, well, you still have it with this. You can adjust grind size, strength, coffee volume, and it even has a system that adapts to different beans. So if you want to switch from light, medium, even dark roast, it actually adjusts for you. But this is what surprised me. Most machines just brew hot coffee over ice. And the problem is it waters it down. This one actually brews at lower temperatures, so it's made for ice. This way your drink stays bold and balanced and doesn't taste diluted. That's a big deal, especially when you drink as many iced coffees as I do. And then on top of that, you've got basically a full cafe menu built in. Espresso, Americanos, lattes, cappuccinos, iced drinks. And the milk system automatically textures everything. So you can go from straight espresso to full latte with a push of a button. Here's something that I find super underrated is that this machine, is super quiet. I mean, in person, it's notably quiet. It gives you a peace of mind and knowing that you're not waking up the entire household when trying to make your morning coffee. So here's my honest take. If you're the type of person that really wants to get hands-on in making their espresso, this might not be for you, but if you want something that looks good, consistently makes really good drinks, and takes out all of the guesswork, well, in my opinion, this is one of the best options out there. Hey, shout out to KitchenAid for letting me be one of the first ones to check this machine out. And hey, hit that subscribe for more creative ways to enjoy your coffee.